Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we pin or how do we make someone else's chat on a WhatsApp application stay in the first row on the chat. So first thing we have to do is just open the WhatsApp application, and after we're here we just need to go into the chat button or chat section by click the chats, and now you need to decide which message that you want to pin in or you want to make it stay in the first row. So for example, I want to pin this group, means that this group is quite important for me, so I want to make it stay on the first line on my WhatsApp chat. You just need to go slide the specific message that you choose into the right side until you activate the two options here. The first is read, means that you will be generate into the chat, or pin. So since we want to make it like stay in the first row, you just need to click pin. Okay, it will be signed with this small pin symbol here, means that there will this group will be stay in the first row, even though there will be a lot of messages coming into your WhatsApp application. That's all the way how to pin a message in a WhatsApp application by iOS or iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.